Okay, so this bonsai material is locally known here as Inyam or Kinyam in some other areas. Now I repotted it about 3 months ago before the COVID-19 lockdown, and I defoliated it, and here it is now with its vigorous leaves, as you can see. Now, as you notice, there are stones or rocks on top of the soil, and that's what I usually do in order to um, protect the soil from spilling out of the pot during watering, and also to give the roots some extra covering or protection. Um, so it's just in a training pot right now, and there's not much to it right now, but I want you to see the progress of my work here. So I have already identified the first branch. Well, first the front, and I have decided that the front will be here, it's right here, and this will be the first branch right here. Okay, so there's an extra branch that grew up here, so I'm gonna remove that right now. And then there's another one here, another unnecessary branch. Okay, so I think this one is also not needed, so I'm gonna remove it, and this one also. Okay, what else? This one, I don't think that this branch here is necessary, and this one as well. Let me show it to you. No, I think this one is, I'm gonna let this one stay there because it's gonna be a back branch. So right now I'm going to defoliate it again to promote new leaves, and we'll see within the next couple of months what will be the progress. I just noticed that it has really huge leaves, and most likely it is attributed to the fact that I kept them in a shaded area, or in a shaded place. When they are receiving full sunlight, um, I noticed that they have smaller leaves, but in the case of this tree, the leaves are much bigger. Okay, I think I'm almost done defoliating. I'm going to keep the buds. I'm just going to be removing the older leaves, but I want to keep the buds so that the growth will continue. So basically what I did today is I removed the unnecessary branches, and I defoliated it. To be honest, I still haven't um, decided which front I will be choosing for this tree here, but let me try to remove the, oh, as you can see, the ants are already trying to build or they already built a nest on this pot. Okay, I think they will soon go away once I continue with the watering. But anyways, I think this could also work as the front of the tree, because this showcases the you know, the movement of the body of the tree in the first branch. Right here, this is the first branch, the second. But if in time there will be another branch here, I think this one here, there's already one here. I'm gonna wait for this and maybe make this as the first branch in the future, because this is where the body of the tree bends outwards, so it's just reasonable and more visually appealing if the first branch will be right here, and then this will be the second branch, and then this is the third, and there are some back branches as well to add depth. Okay, so that's it for now for this video. I hope you learned something. I will be sharing more updates on my other trees in the future. Hope you subscribe to my channel for more Pinoy Bonsai videos. Thank you and have a great day. Bye bye.